Welcome to our family's kitchen. Today we are preparing a little Italian dish. What's neat about this one, it's quick, easy, and economical. It's prepared in less than 45 minutes. It's for 4 people, and you can do this for 4 for under $10. So let's do a little cooking. By the way, the prices listed are what we paid at one of our favorite stores, Aldi's. If you don't have an Aldi's in your area, check the weekly ads for your favorite grocery store. The ingredients we are using are often found on sale. And if you find a really good deal, buy extra if you can, then store it accordingly for future meals. The bottom line is, if you watch the ads and shop smart, you can eat good food and save some money along the way. As the old saying goes, try it, you'll like it. Also, try not to be like my sister-in-law. She spends a lot of time holding the refrigerator door open, looking for answers. Anyway, we hope you enjoy this little meal. We will be releasing more of these budget-minded menus very soon. As always, thanks for joining us. Please subscribe, and until next time, na zdrowie.